Okay, here is diversion number 4 from Juan Cabeza's book, Diversions, book number 1. Beautiful book. Every single etude is absolutely fun to play in a different way and has a different technical problem. I love how this one says playfully. And you have 16th notes here, which you may or may not know how to read yet, which is totally fine. You also have 3/8 that tells you that the 8th note gets the beat. Okay, so that's really important to note that because now if the 8th note gets one beat, those two 16ths combined also will get one. I like to teach this with a little bit of some fun food names, but I'm just going to play it for you first so you can hear it's not as hard as it looks. Okay. And you can transpose it to C and to G. I recommend you do. It's super fun. All right. So when you're learning the rhythm of this one, you're just going to say pie, pizza, pie. Okay, so just try that. And by the way, those are all on the black keys. Pie, pizza, pie. Good. So that's pretty much the rhythm of the whole thing. The nice thing is the rhythm stays the same. Now I'm going to show you the differences in each line and the similarities. So lines 1, 3, 5, exactly the same. All on black keys. We're going to locate those now, okay? I know you know how to read some of these notes, which is great. Look at middle C. Look at the two black keys right above there. That's where your right hand's going to be all the time on 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, and give it just a roll, roll, roll. Left hand's going to locate all the bottom of the 3 black keys, the F sharp. So it's going to go across to each F sharp. That's why the stems are down. So it's important to note when the left hand is traveling across the piano, it's not doing this or, it's just keeping the arm, hand, and unit exactly in the same relationship with each other, which means that, it's going to be very, very much at an angle to the piano. And nothing to worry about there with that, but just to be aware of that, okay? Just ask yourself, is your arm and hand always a unit when you play? And now I want to show you out of rhythm, just blocking it. So here we are on the first line. I'm just going to block it with my arms. So here it is up here. Now you can see that left hand is more at an angle to the piano than the right hand. And then you can't really see it so much there now. Let's just try that. So we got there. Okay. Let me do that one more time. There it is. Now you can really see it. Okay, so that's important. Do that blocking. Okay, let's try playing the whole line. And I'm going to say pie for the 8th note. So it's pie, pizza, pie, pie, pizza, pie, pie, pizza, pie, pie, 2, 3. You try. Great. You already have the first, 3 out of 5 lines learned. Now look at the second line. You'll notice it's all white keys. Okay, so what he does is he just takes that pattern and puts it on G, D, and E. Same thing. Okay, locate the G's. Locate the G's. Also, by locating the G's, what you're doing here, which is super good practice, is you're practicing the palm and the arm really just playing staccato by playing down into the key, letting that key rebound you across the piano. And when I say down, I do not mean push. I mean it's a lively kind of feeling of the fingers and the arm dropping into the key, you see? It's this kind of liveliness that creates the sound we want and also feels like you're just tossing a ball across the piano. Here's the second line. Practice that one. Good. That might take some practice. Now, look at the fourth line. So we just finished doing this on the black keys. We ended up here. Now we're going to come back and we're going to go to white keys again, but rather than G, D, and E, we're going to go to F, C, and D. So we got the same idea. Pie, pizza, pie, 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 pizza, pie, pie. All right. All right, enjoy learning this and do try transposing it to the two keys he suggests and have fun.